Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared green 65 or green mushroom 65. This is a fried version, excellent starter, and you can also serve it as a side dish. I've used all natural ingredients in this recipe. For this recipe, I'll be using 250 grams of button mushrooms, which is washed thoroughly, allowed it to air dry it, and then chopped it into halves and reserved it in a mixing bowl. Due to pandemic, we have to be extra precautious and wash all our ingredients thoroughly. Here I've laid out all the ingredients. The halved mushrooms. I'll be using 3 different types of flours: rice flour, all-purpose flour, and corn flour. I'll be using curry powder, coriander powder, pepper powder, chili powder, cumin powder, and food color. I'll also be using mint and coriander, garlic, ginger, and chilies for the masala paste. To mix and fry in the mushrooms, I'll be using crushed garlic, curry leaves, slit green chilies. I'll also be using Ajinomoto and baking powder. Using Ajinomoto and green food color is up to you, it's your preference. I'll prepare the masala paste first. In a mixer jar, I've combined all the masala powders: coriander, chilies, garlic, ginger. I'll also add half a lime, baking powder and Ajinomoto. We'll also add salt as per taste and grind this into a fine masala paste. If needed, you can add just few teaspoons of water to grind the masala paste into a fine paste. Now I'm transferring the masala paste to the mushrooms. I'll also combine the crushed garlic, green chilies and curry leaves. We'll marinate the mushrooms in this masala paste. Allow it to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we'll add the flour, that is rice flour, cornstarch and all-purpose flour, maida. We'll combine the flour in the mushroom. Now that the mushroom is well coated, we'll start frying it. If needed, you can add excess flour and coat the mushrooms if it's too watery. Since we have added salt in the marination, the mushroom will tend to wet a lot, so you need to add excess flour as per your preference. Now I've heated a wok with enough oil for frying. It is on low to medium flame. I'll gently drop the pieces of mushroom and fry it on low to medium flame for 2 minutes on each side. The crushed garlic and chili enhances the flavor and taste in this mushroom when it's fried along with the mushroom. Recipe in detail is posted on my blog. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. My blog link, social media handle links and Tamil channel link will also be listed in the description box below this video. Every 2 to 5 minutes, I toss the mushroom in the oil and fried it till it's nice and crispy. Once the outer covering or the masala has cooked well and the mushroom is nice and crispy, I drained the mushrooms from the excess oil and reserved it on a plate. It's ready to serve. You can serve it as a starter or as a side dish. It's excellent with South Indian meals. This pairs well with pulaus, biryani. It's a very nice side dish. Now I've added the second batch of mushrooms and I'm frying it in the same way. I would like to give one tip here. Mushroom tends to sweat a lot. It releases a lot of moisture. So the oil might sputter. So make sure you stand a little far away when you're frying these mushrooms because the oil sputters a lot and it might burn your fingers or hand. At this point, I fried approximately 3 to 4 batches of mushroom and I've served it. It turned out excellent. Fry it in small batches to avoid sputtering and burning your fingers and hands. Since we have added the flour, we cannot grill this. But if you avoid the flour, you can definitely grill these mushrooms and serve it. Here you can see I have served the mushrooms as hot as possible. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments. All the links to my blog, social media, and the ingredients used will be listed in the description box below this video. I will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.